Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to send files through WeTransfer. First, you need the account of WeTransfer for that. So for that, you need to go to the website of the WeTransfer. Go to any browser, type wetransfer.com and create your free account there. If you want to upgrade your account, you can upgrade your account too. After that, you need to go to this option and where you can see the add file option. Click on add files. I'm adding this file. Click on open and you'll see that item selected. You have to write the email of a recipient, and as you can see, I have entered the recipient's email address. I have entered my email address, and then there's a title of the video which was extracted itself by an WeTransfer. If you want to add any message, then keep any message whatever you want to add here. After that, you need to make sure that in how much time it is expiring. For me, it's 1 day is enough. If you want to set a password for it, you can set it by clicking on three dots, so that if you want the security of your files, then you can do that too. But in my case, I don't want that, so I'm going without that. I'm clicking on transfer now. After clicking on transfer, it will be transferring, and as you can see, it has been transferred. The mail has been sent to the inbox. I'm into my inbox and you can see that I have got a mail. After getting your mail, you have to get your files. After clicking on get your files, you need to go to this page and you can click on download to download the file whichever sent to you. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, then make sure to like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.